Okay, we're in Adobe Photoshop and we want to change the aspect ratio of this image, and we're going to use Generative Expand to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the crop tool, and then I'm going to specify within the crop tool the aspect ratio that I want. So I want a 2:3 aspect ratio. Now I want this to be in landscape, so I'm just going to click on this little button which swaps height and width. And then I'm going to drag out the crop handles to give me the aspect ratio that I want. Now I need to get Photoshop to fill these white areas. So what I do is I click on Generative Expand down here. I don't really need to type anything in there. It's going to base these areas on what's already in the picture. So all I need to do is click on Generate. Okay, I'm just going to collapse this properties window. Now down here we can scroll through the 3 different versions of the picture that is created for us. So this is the first one, this is the second, and this is the third. So once you see one that you like, and if you don't see one that you like, you need to basically start again. You then want to hop over to your layers area, and you'll see that it's created an additional layer with those generative fill parts of the image. So what we need to do is right click on that layer and then flatten image.